Welcome to the Symphony Shear Repair Program, a service you can trust for all your professional brands of shears. Are your shears feeling under the weather? Do they push hair? Are they too loose and fold the hair? Are they noisy? Do they make loud clicking noises? Are they missing a bumper or a finger pin? Let Symphony's 5 generations of scissor manufacturing experience take care of all your repair and reconditioning needs. Trust your expensive shears to the factory to make them like new. All sharpened shears go through a 20-point inspection process by our certified technicians and come with Symphony's seal of quality. Shipping your shears is safe and easy. Pack your tools into any box or padded envelope. Make sure your tools are protected. Fill out the Symphony Sharpening Form, found on www.symphony-beauty.com. Include payment to Symphony. Ship to the following address. Drop your shears in the mail, and in about a week, you get them back in like-new condition. All of our work is 100% guaranteed.